This is the best tool to clean up the mess of 2017. Alright, let's see. Today is December 31st, 2017. I had a great time 2017 going out fishing and hiking and making things, but one problem is I have a lot of mess in my room. Look at this. So I gotta clean up this mess of 2017 within one day before 2018 comes. Alright, my kids left all the mess, like after eating, plate is on the desk and a lot of dust, a lot of clothes everywhere, not organized. Every place, bookshelf is dust and all the stuff is here. And look at the floor, laundry is everywhere, and underneath bed probably a lot of junk stuff in there and a lot of dust build up. Same thing over here, see? Alright, and a lot of on the desk, a lot of stuff, wires, mess wires. Let's clean up today 2017 mess. So let's start new beginning for the 2018. Alright, let's start it. So we will start clean up the mess. Just take out everything. I think it has a lot of dust. You gotta protect yourself. Put the dust, man. Look at this mess. Dust. Oh my. I clean up the whole mess of 2017 all day today. Let's see how was different. Not much different or what? Alright. Like this. Cleaned up all the way in and out underneath. Alright. Clean up the mess of 2017 and we're gonna start New Year 2018. Alright.